Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're taking you on a journey around the globe to explore some of the most mesmerizing and unique natural wonders on Earth. From surreal landscapes to mysterious natural phenomena, these places defy logic and inspire awe. So get ready to be amazed as we dive into 17 breathtaking wonders that you truly have to see to believe. Let's begin. Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers in Bolivia. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water turns the salt flat into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky and creating an endless horizon. This phenomenon makes it seem like you're walking on clouds, creating an otherworldly experience that photographers and travelers cherish. We'll explore how this flat came to be and why it's often referred to as one of the most surreal places on Earth. Pamukkale, which means cotton castle in Turkish, is a series of terraces formed by mineral-rich thermal waters that cascade down a hillside, creating a unique landscape of white terraces and turquoise pools. These terraces have been attracting visitors for thousands of years, with the nearby ancient city of Hierapolis drawing Roman visitors who believed in the healing properties of the waters. We'll uncover the science behind these natural formations and why they hold such cultural significance. Located in the Yunnan province, the stone forest is a sprawling area filled with tall limestone pillars that resemble a forest made of stone. These formations, which have developed over millions of years, are a testament to nature's artistic power. The site is home to numerous caves, underground rivers, and legends about how the forest came to be. We'll dive into these myths and reveal the geological forces that created this stone spectacle. The Waitomo Caves in New Zealand are famous for their bioluminescent glowworms that light up the dark caverns like stars in the night sky. This glow is produced by the larva of a species of fungus gnat, which uses light to attract prey. The magical atmosphere of these caves has made them a popular tourist attraction and a symbol of New Zealand's natural beauty. We'll discuss how these glowworms live and why their unique adaptation creates such a stunning sight. Mount Roraima, located on the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, is one of the oldest geological formations on Earth. It's a tabletop mountain that rises dramatically from the surrounding rainforest, often shrouded in clouds that give it the appearance of a floating island. This flat-topped mountain is surrounded by cliffs over 1,300 feet tall and hosts unique plants and animals found nowhere else. We'll explore its fascinating ecosystem and the myths of indigenous people who believe it to be a sacred place. In the Naka mine of Chihuahua, Mexico, there's a cave filled with some of the largest natural crystals ever discovered. These selenite crystals can reach lengths of over 30 feet and weigh up to 55 tons. The extreme temperatures inside the cave have preserved these crystals, but they also make it dangerous for humans to explore. We'll delve into how these crystals formed and why this cave remains one of the most extraordinary mineral formations in the world. The Chocolate Hills of Bohol in the Philippines are a geological wonder, consisting of over 1,200 hills spread across the island. mounds turn brown during the dry season, resembling chocolate drops. Legends tell of giants and mythical creatures as the creators of these hills, while scientists suggest they were formed from coral deposits. We'll uncover both the scientific theories and the folklore that surrounds these unique hills. The Moraki Boulders, New Zealand. Giant spherical rocks on the beach. Along the coast of New Zealand's South Island, you'll find massive, spherical boulders scattered across the sands of Kokohe Beach. These boulders, some of which weigh several tons, were formed by sedimentation and have been slowly revealed by erosion. Their perfect round shape and large size make them an unusual sight, and local Maori legends claim they're the remains of ancient sea vessels. We'll reveal the science behind these formations and the cultural stories that add to their mystery. Located in Panchin, China, Red Beach is covered in a plant called *Suaeta salsa, which turns bright red during the autumn, creating a stunning contrast against the blue water. This unique landscape is not only visually striking but also serves as an important ecosystem for migratory birds. We'll discuss the ecological significance of this area and why it's considered a natural treasure in China. Fingal's Cave, Scotland, a natural cathedral of basalt columns. Fingal's Cave on the Isle of Staffa, Scotland, is famous for its unique hexagonal basalt columns and arched roof that creates the appearance of a natural cathedral. The cave's structure amplifies the sound of waves, creating an eerie and mesmerizing echo. This wonder has inspired musicians, poets, and artists, including composer Felix Mendelssohn. We'll explore how volcanic activity millions of years ago created this architectural marvel. Lake Hillier, Australia. The bubblegum pink lake. Lake Hillier, located on Middle Island in Australia, is known for its bright pink color, which contrasts sharply with the blue of the surrounding ocean. The cause of the color is believed to be the presence of Dunaliella salina algae and high salinity levels. Despite its unusual color, the lake is safe for swimming. We'll explore the science behind this unique natural feature and how it continues to intrigue scientists and tourists alike. The Fly Geyser, USA, a man-made yet magical geyser. Located on private land in Nevada, the Fly Geyser was accidentally created during a drilling attempt in the 1960s. The geothermal well wasn't capped properly, allowing hot water to flow and deposit minerals over time, creating colorful terraces that are still growing. Its vibrant colors, caused by thermophilic algae, make it look like a psychedelic masterpiece. We'll look at how this accidental wonder was formed and why it's become a destination for adventure seekers. The Northern Lights, Arctic regions, nature's light show. The Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is one of the most breathtaking natural phenomena in the world. This display of colorful lights dancing across the night sky is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. We'll discuss why the lights appear primarily in polar regions, what causes the colors to vary, and the best places to witness this spectacle. Mount Etna, Italy, Europe's most active volcano. Mount Etna in Sicily is Europe's largest and most active volcano, with frequent eruptions that shape the landscape around it. Its activity has not only altered the terrain but has also provided fertile soil, making the surrounding area rich in vineyards and orchards. We'll explore the history of Mount Etna's eruptions and the cultural significance it holds for the people who live in its shadow. Valley of the Moon, Argentina, a Martian landscape on Earth. The Valley of the Moon in Argentina's Ixigualasto Provincial Park resembles a Martian landscape with its barren, rocky terrain and unique rock formations. This area is a treasure trove for paleontologists, containing some of the oldest dinosaur fossils ever discovered. We'll dive into the geological history of this valley and why it's often referred to as Argentina's answer to the moon. Antelope Canyon, USA, Nature's Sculpture Gallery. Antelope Canyon in Arizona is a slot canyon carved by flash floods over thousands of years. The narrow passageways, combined with light filtering through, create beams of light and vibrant colors that make it look like a natural sculpture gallery. We'll explore how this canyon was formed and why it's considered one of the most photogenic places on Earth. The Dead Sea, Israel, Jordan, the saltiest sea on Earth. The Dead Sea is famous for its high salt content, which allows people to float effortlessly. It's also the lowest point on Earth, located over 1,400 feet below sea level. The mineral-rich mud of the Dead Sea is known for its therapeutic properties, attracting visitors from around the world. We'll explore how this body of water became so salty and the health benefits associated with it. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Earth's most astonishing natural wonders. From salt flats that mirror the sky to caves filled with glowworms, these places remind us of nature's limitless creativity. Be sure to like, subscribe to Sam Official Tech, and hit the bell icon for more amazing explorations. Let us know in the comments which place you'd want to visit first. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.